So anyway, so as far as today's plan,
yes,
let's think about, all right, what are we gonna do? So
hold on.
we're gonna leave the Jeep here.
Okay.
We're gonna leave the Jeep here. Should be safe here.
Hopefully.
And we're gonna go to Mexico to drive a little bit. Now you're on drag radials, right?
Yes, so be careful.
So we're not gonna beat on the car.
No.
We're not gonna beat on the car. Like I said, next time when it's warm, I'm gonna bring the Hellcat out again just so I can remind you how fast the car is.
He's used to only driving automatic. He doesn't know how to drive manual.
Correct. Yes, that's what he thinks. He doesn't realize that I've been driving manuals while he was still in elementary school.
Oh.
He doesn't realize.
Oh, okay.
Before YouTube was around, all my cars used to be manuals back in the day. But granted, this was like, wow. My last manual car was a 2006 Corvette. So it's been a while.
Okay.
How long has it been? Damn, that's like what, 13 years, something like that?
Just about. It's about to be what, 14?
I hope I really don't stall out, but you never forget how to drive a manual.
If he stalls out, he's giving me a shout out and buying lunch.
Yes.
If he doesn't, then I'm buying lunch.
By the way, just for the record, he doesn't have the stock clutch in here, so I have no idea how different the aftermarket clutch is going to be. Just in case I stole out, I already have an excuse.
Oh, okay.
All right, so then
don't worry, I already caught it.
We're going to leave the Jeep here, and let's go in your car.
All right, perfect.
I'm running around like a maniac all day. Like I woke up mad early. I'm at the gym.
I'm nervous he's going to burn my clutch. I'm so nervous right now. So when you stall out,
we should actually do a little test drive.
Oh, test drive, nah.
Before we actually start filming. I'm a little nervous.
Are you?
I mean, no, I'm not. What the fuck? I didn't know you were recording. You're such a dick. I'm a little nervous. I mean, just because I have no idea what your car is like. I know this car is not stock. It's making a lot of power. I mean, it doesn't make as much power as my Hellcat. But
okay.
It is a manual, and I'm more nervous about you being on drag radials, and it's freezing outside.
Yeah.
We're not gonna stall. I got this.
Okay, we'll see.
Hold on, we're not leaving yet though.
I'm just...
Can't believe you're recording that part. I just don't, I know I do get nervous driving other people's cars because...
Things
just
happen.
because, you know.
Things
I mean,
happen.
I'm a really good driver. I really am. But I don't like to beat on other people's cars.
He's nervous, guys. He's nervous.
No, I'm fine.
I'm recording.
But now that I got the Vet on the way, now that we got the Corvette on the way, I would be, if I was going to get another Hellcat, maybe I would get a manual, just because my Corvette's going to be automatic. But still.
No.
I mean, I don't care if I lose, to be honest. I don't care if I lose.
You know how to turn it on?
I just have to make sure I don't lose to other YouTubers. That's it. I can't be losing to other YouTubers. Here we go. Oh, I see on the Hellcat, the start button's over here. Yo, what was that? It almost sounds like I stepped on the gas. I didn't even touch it. It just kind of revs on its own.
Yeah.
Yo, this car is really loud, and you feel the rumble. I really feel the rumble in here. I did drive one Mustang that was manual, but I literally just drove it around the block at the Ford dealership. I was doing a car review.
Okay.
I drove it inside the parking lot. I didn't even leave.
Oh, okay.
That was the most I drove the Mustang. But I'm loving that rumble. I don't blame you for having the car catalyst like this. It's not, and it's pretty comfortable. The seats are actually pretty comfortable.
Yeah. These are stock seats. I used to have Brom seats.
Tire pressure monitor fault.
No, that's all right.
So I think we can leave the windows closed.
Yeah, if you want.
This is the moment of truth. Will I still out? I feel like it actually doesn't. It really doesn't really move, and the car doesn't really move until you almost. The clutch has to be almost all the way up.
Yeah.
I expected it to move at least halfway through, but I didn't stall. I gotta get.
Oh. All right.
I need to get out of this parking lot so I can actually hit the gas.
Red light camera ahead.
We're jerking, guys. We're jerking.
Yeah, I feel like the gas is also so sensitive. I'm over here waving at Jeeps. I'm so used to waving at Jeeps every time I see him, and I'm in a Mustang. He's like, "What? Why is this Mustang owner waving at me?" Oh, fuck!
He stalled.
No battery.
All right, here we go. Go ahead, you go.
He can't see. It's 5%.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah. All right, let's see. My camera just moved when I. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go for. I only did that for the video.
Oh yeah. Oh, that clutch, really feeling it.
No, we're good. It's just really loud. Holy crap! I'm almost like afraid to hit the gas. We're right across the street from a police precinct. Now that we're on the hill, it's going to stall.
Oh yeah, you're gonna stall again?
No, we'll see. We'll see. Do you think that stall is happening because of the aftermarket clutch?
Oh yeah.
I didn't have that happen to me when I did that Mustang review video. Here we go. Moment of truth. A little rusty. It's okay. I got it. It does make a big
Red light
difference.
camera ahead.
Boy, that thing's loud.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I will admit, I did lose the bet just because I did stall out when I was leaving the parking lot.
Right over
Now, I'm not going to try to make excuses, but the clutch is different from a stock Mustang. But I ended up driving the car for like half an hour. I had so much fun. I loved it. And like I said, if I wasn't making YouTube videos, I would definitely want to have a manual in my driveway. But for YouTube purposes, just for winning races, I always go with the automatic. We got 3 cars in my lineup right now. We got the C8 Corvette on the way. We got my Hellcat, and we got the Jeep. So if we get more subscribers and more views, who knows, maybe we'll do a 4th car, and the 4th car could be a manual Mustang, maybe, who knows. Just have a little bit of everything. I love American muscle, so I'd love to just be able to provide my viewers with different content. You know, what, is that your camera that's beeping or no? Oh no, that's my camera. Oh, don't tell me my shit. Oh no, my battery's about to die.
Okay.
My battery just died. Fuck. All right, so I gotta film the ending with my other camera.
So we had some fun. He stalled out, so he lost a bet. That's his Jeep.